Now, for this next tutorial, I want you to have a Java mission control and any kind of IDE, which is I'm using Spring Tool Suite 4, and I have written a very small program which does nothing but it computes the maximum pair product, which is nothing to do with our memory management course. It's just something. It's a long program, so it is going to be easy for me to explain it to you about memory collection. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, there are only two prerequisites. One is the STS or any IDE you might like, Eclipse or STS, it's fine. Second, go to your web browser, anyone, and search Java Mission Control and download this Java Mission Control, anything which is fine. I'm going to download it for myself. Now, once you download this, I've already downloaded it and installed it. I'm just going to cancel it. Once you install this, just open and extract it anywhere. I have extracted this somewhere around in my Java Mission Control. So let's open it. And let's see if it works or not. Seems to be initializing. There we go. This is actually JVM Runtime Machine Controller. It shows how much heap memory is used in maybe bytes. Second, how much CPU usage is using. So third is life cycle fragmentations. Now, this is our Eclipse. Now we're going to see this for our Eclipse project. Currently 174 MIB is using. All right, so once we start our program, we can see how much variation it does.